Welcome to another installment of Incoming Parent Perspective, a video series designed to educate and assist those who have loved ones joining us here at Arkansas Tech next fall. You play a major role in the success of your student beginning now, and we need your partnership from today all the way through until graduation. We hope that through these video series we can educate you and your student and help with that seamless transition into life here at Arkansas Tech University. Today we're going to take a little bit more time to learn about campus recreation and all that it offers for our students here at Arkansas Tech. To talk us through all things campus rec, we have Alex Butler, a senior here at Arkansas Tech University. Alex, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
So campus recreation is a huge part of the lives of many of our students here at Arkansas Tech University. Just to kind of clarify that, campus recreation is our intramural sports program, our outdoor rec program, our fitness classes that we offer, and even our club sports that we offer all fit under the umbrella of campus recreation. So, Alex, you've been a part of a lot of different aspects of campus recreation. As a senior, why are you still involved in campus recreation?
Well, I'm basically involved in campus rec today is because just building a friendship with the new kids coming on campus and stuff like that. Basically, like just keeping them involved with classes and also kind of like sports, outdoor activities, kind of like a PE class, like in high school. So basically, when they come out here, basically they don't have nobody to know or anything like that. So this coming up year, this fall, I had made a team, and I didn't pick up majority people that I knew from back in the day, back in last year. I picked up more freshmen this year because we also ended up going to regionals. Went to Oklahoma State about 2 weeks ago. We had a good time in regional. We came in third place. But it's basically keeping freshmen involved with campus. You know, they feel like they can come here and they don't want to just go to school and stuff like that, but also come here, they can also play sports and keep them involved with school, campus life and stuff like that, keep them going. Yeah,
a lot of students come to Arkansas Tech that have participated in athletics at the high school level, and this gives them an opportunity to continue to do that for the healthy aspect of it, but just for the fun. And you talked about putting your team together, playing, that's what it is. In the intramural side of things, you're putting teams together for a variety of sports. Over the course of the last 4 years, what sports have you participated in while you were here?
Majority I participated was in flag football, 3-on-3 basketball. We also had co-rec softball. Then in the springtime, we had men's 5-on-5 basketball. We had dodgeball, which is also a good time to have fun with each other, co-rec volleyball. And also I did men's softball. Let's keep it involved. Then for the outdoor side, I also went fishing a couple times, paintballing. That's also a good time to have fun. We went walking to trails and stuff like that. Just keeping myself active on campus.
Yeah, the intramural side is competitive. It's fun, but there's also the rec side of it. Is the paintball trips and some of the other things are great. And then the fitness side too is really growing. Is where we have a lot of students participating in the different fitness classes that we partner with here with local places where folks can do from Zumba to yoga to a variety of different things. So it is just finding what you like, whether you're super athletic or not. I've been out there and seen some teams that are having a great time, and maybe they don't get in the win column too often, but they're out there having a blast, and that's what it's about, right? Is having fun being out there?
More likely, yes, because just coming out there having a good time, being competitive, it definitely will. We strive as officials, as campus rec, to bring that competitive out of you and also have a good time, but also be safe out here. We also want to make sure everybody's out here having fun. That's the majority of the thing. You out here having fun. Even though you're being competitive, we want to make sure you're having fun out here and enjoying the sports that we bring to campus.
Yeah, some folks don't even realize that all of our intramural sports are officiated. We have student officials that we train in the different sports, and they're out there throwing flags, calling fouls, doing different stuff. So it makes it a more enjoyable experience when it's officiated. Makes it more formal, but yeah, you can still have fun, but it just kind of helps the flow of things with that.
Yes, especially we got which is our boss, Kerry Shannon. He also is official in the community. He also understands where we as officials coming from, but he also train us to become better officials. Like he also pushes us to become and like get into the community aspect wise, like for basketball wise, flag football. He's always there to help us out.
Yeah, so being involved in campus rec, it could be intramurals, could be fitness, could be outdoor rec or club sports, but it also could be working for campus rec. We have a lot of student employees out there as officials, scorekeepers, some first aid folks at different sports that we have. So it's another opportunity to participate and also to have an on-campus job.
Especially on campus. Basically, just getting out there, talking to people that have been there before. That's basically a stress reliever, basically what we use it for.
Yeah, it's a great stress reliever. you can't have your student come to Arkansas Tech and just be in the residence hall or just be at home and go to class and come back and forth. You've got to get out there and do different things. You mentioned that you were on a team this year and you went to the regional championship. What is your most favorite memory of being a Campus Rec participant?
Well, my favorite memory was this past year. Even though this is my last year being here, my favorite memory is basically just starting a team. This is basically my fourth team. This is my third team I started. So third team I started, and I basically first time I picked up freshmen and actually sit down, talk to them, understand where they coming from. Also kind of like help them out. You know, they're a freshman here. We also help them out in classrooms and stuff like that. And like right now, we started a bond together.
Sure, and that's a great aspect of it. Is we talk to our students about finding connection points and getting surrounded by a group of individuals that you enjoy being around. So I think it's great that you put together a team this year that happened to have some younger students, some incoming freshmen on it. So as a freshman coming in, do they have to have their own team, or can they come do they come with groups of folks from their hometowns, or do they just kind of find other folks in the residence hall or whatever in classes and put together teams?
No, basically the best time to find like a team, you can go on Island Leagues, you make yourself a free agent, put on your bio what position you like to play and stuff like that. Also, we have what we say a Watermelon Fest in the beginning of the year, where we have flag football, water slide, spike ball, flag football. We also come in together, like bring the freshmen together for a Watermelon Fest, but also we also want to teach them the new incoming sports we got coming in, and also you're looking for a team, we also can help you form a team and stuff like that, because that's the best way to do it, to form a team, or you don't want to form a team, then look into joining a team, because you're looking to join a team and playing with some people, some new people, it's also, you can build friendship by that way too.
Sure. So how would you describe your experience here at Arkansas Tech because of your involvement with Campus Rec?
I believe me being here and also being involved with Campus Rec for almost 4 years, it also been an amazing experience. Just by getting to know everybody that comes in, also just know you got a boss that always gonna be there for you and also push us to be the best official we can be, but also being involved with Campus Rec. Just getting out there, seeing how many people come out there and enjoy the sport that we also offer, and how much fun everybody just come out there and we always have. You know, we want to be competitive, but we also want to be out there and having a good time and have fun with each other. Yeah,
it's a cultural thing, because out there at the Campus Rec fields in the evenings during flag football, you'll see more fans than you are participants. It's until 10, 11 o'clock at night. The lights are on and there's people everywhere. And then you've got basketball going on. Teams are scouting other teams and watching that. It's not just about one team participating. There's a lot of our folks that this is a big part of their culture, is being engaged in that stuff. So, well, Alex, we thank you for taking some time to talk to us about your role in Campus Rec and what it's meant to you. And we hope that you as parents or guardians of loved ones coming here to Arkansas Tech, you encourage your student to not give up playing sports and talk to them about the opportunities that they have when they arrive here, because it is such a wonderful experience here at Arkansas Tech. So thank you for watching today, and we look forward to visiting with you on our next video. Thank you.